Candy. And Candy. Hey, baby. Are you enjoying your new area, buddy? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Hey, Bubba. Good morning, handsome boy. We're at the new house? With the new outside. Yeah. Yeah. And there's a screen to protect us from the evil, evil bugs. Yeah. Here's King Candy. Say good morning, everybody. Say good morning. You want to say hi? Say hi. Come on, don't be shy. Say hi. No, it's okay. You can say hi later. Yeah, you smell like chicken. How about you? What are you doing? Are you enjoying the sunlight? Birdie bird, you're eating my shirts. You have destroyed just about every shirt I had. You have. Yep, see? Look at that. It's a new style in town. New style in town. Yes, it is.